Does the moon actually possess such strange powers? Or is it all just...
Let's take a blast to the moon, baby. I've seen around with you well. How I'm craving you. Yeah. Every time I'm near you, I always wanna slow you down. I'll be right here if you need me. In my life, I'll need you here. Don't ask why, I'll never disappear. Why is it every day that I feel the pain? Yeah. Let's take a trip to the stars far away.